So this is a Honda Civic 2003 Dimension. To change a bulb, you have to dismount half the car. This is really incredible, what they did here. Look at this. You have to take out all this, dismount half the car. Look at this. Take out the screws, all the screws. Then finally, after taking out this, another hidden down there inside, one on the side here. Yeah, finally you can take out the sheet of the thing. What they think the people, engineer and designer, before, when they put something. Here is the bulb. Look at this. Look at this. Huh? What happens if a bulb is burnt in the road? Huh? What you do? You dismount the car in the road. Hey, engineers and designer of Honda, think of this.